welcome back to another video. And you can see and tell that is really dark because I would like to tell you what I did and show you what I did to my interior and exterior lights. I installed LEDs on the front and the front on both sides, and where it goes into the headlight, and on the license plate on the two interior. And I removed the sides. There's a LED on both of the doors. I removed that because I work a lot on the car and I don't want it to stay on whenever I open the door, drain the battery. It's probably not much voltage coming out, but I've decided to do it anyway. There's a bunch, there's like probably 2 or 3 videos how to do it on YouTube. So I'm not gonna show you how to replace it, but I can confirm that it looks amazing. Again, I have 2009 GTR and it looks cool. And let me show you how it actually looks. I apologize for the lighting and it's dark, but I decided to do it that way because you can tell that it actually looks good. Because if it will be bright outside and I turn the lights on, you cannot tell how how cool it looks, how good it looks. So yeah, let me show you what I did and we'll go from there. Okay, you can see it on the inside how nicely it looks with those LEDs, because I work a lot on the car, and basically when you open the door, this light always stays on, so I decided to take it off on both sides. And this is basically how it looks when you replace LEDs. If you put the LED lamps on the front, I believe those are fog lights, that's what they call. It's very easy to take it off. All you gotta do, pop the hood, and on the side there is a little latch. It does not require to remove a bumper or headlight or anything like that. I'm recording this again at night in the garage so you can see how nice and bright it looks, and again I'm gonna post a picture so you can see how it looks with the yellow ugly ones. And this is inside of the trunk. Again, super easy to replace. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube how to do it. You can guys look it up, how to replace the LEDs, and you can see the whole trunk it looks amazing. Also the license plate is yellow, and I put 2 LEDs inside and it looks nice. I don't think there is anything else, so you have 1 here, 2 on the license. So yeah guys, this is it, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to smash that sub button and hit that like. It means a lot to me. It makes me to put more videos on, and I see a lot of that I have a lot of getting a lot of interest, and I was actually surprised because there's a lot of videos about the GTR and GTRs overall, and I'm actually surprised, but I'm coming back to this whole YouTube thing. I did videos before, as you can go and scroll to my old videos whenever I had the previous cars. I wish I started, I wish I did a lot of videos on my previous car, the F82 M4 that I used to own, because I've done a lot to it as well. That'll be kind of cool, but we'll go with the GTR. We'll see where we're gonna go with that channel. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.